Hello internet friends. In this video I am continuing to work on the fuel tanks, the left fuel tank, which hopefully the right fuel tank is faster and better since I've air quotes learned how to do this by making mistakes like you see me doing right now. So I had thought I could make less mess if I use these what are these called? Pro Seal cartridges. And then if I just put the sealant in and then put in the activator and then tried to mix the sealant inside of the cartridge. Well, when I did that, then it decided to come out with sealant that wasn't mixed with activator. And so this did not save me time or mess because I ended up just squeezing out all of the sealant and then mixing it and then putting it back in. So lesson learned, I'm going to mix it on the mixing pad that you see me doing, and then I'm going to put it into the cartridge in the future. And I was trying to avoid, having to clean up more mess, but I made more mess for me to clean up. And that's the whole point of experimental aviation, is to make a giant mess for yourself to clean up. I can see why people buy the quick build kits, because this part is very messy, and I feel air quotes proud of myself, because you need to, at this point in the build, be good at riveting. Also good is air quotes, because that's a self-evaluation. But I feel confident that I'm able to set the rivet consistently and not have to drill. I think I've drilled out a couple rivets that I've riveted by hand. In fact, most of the rivets that I've drilled out on this tank have been ones that I back riveted, which air quotes should have been easy, but I got better results, it seems, riveting with by hand. I don't know what the right term is. I'm going to say by hand. But anyway, like if you're not capable at this point of setting a rivet consistently, I would recommend that you don't build your own fuel tanks and you get the quick build kit. Now, the quick build kit, I don't have no idea actually what it costs in today dollars. It used to be something like $8,000 more than the slow build kit, which, as COVID showed us, might not be a slow build. Like, by the time you wait for it to get built and shipped from the Philippines, like, you could have easily have built this if you can get the skill. So after doing this, I kind of wish that I still had my Mooney around. One of the challenges of having a Mooney, or the scary things of having a Mooney, is that the entire wing is the tank, which is awesome in theory because that lets you take so much fuel. The RV is going to have 50 gallons, or the Mooney I had 100 gallons of fuel. So you could go far exceeds and buy fuel where it was cheapest and tanker it back. You had a lot of options, but the RV will only have 5 hours of range, so I'm pretty much stuck buying fuel at my airport. That being said, back to Mini. I think after this, I have the skill to repair a Mini tank. Hopefully, we'll see. After I test this tank, then I can be more boastful about the skill that I may have gained with Pro Seal. So yeah, we will see. Excited to get this done and tested, which actually might happen relatively soon, maybe in the next couple weeks. Progress seems to be going okay. I don't actually have work travel. Oh, I have 1 day of work travel this week, and then the next week we'll see. My meeting might have got doged. There was supposed to be a conference, and then it got abruptly canceled. So looks like the government does not want to travel. or got an order not to travel, getting new administrations organized is definitely a fun thing to experience as someone that works with the government. Okay, if you are going through building fuel tanks, or you gave up and are a complete coward and bought a quick build kit, that's fine too. Come join our chat groups. If you scan these QR codes, you'll get the invite, and I will see you there and see you in the next video.